everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today has been a very busy day for one of my minifigs. Businessman. He's had a whole day of working in the office, answering phone calls, and overall he's especially tired. So for our 3-minute mini build, we're going to be making this. A nice little armchair that reclines back, really back, and a little coffee table as well, because all minifigs love coffee, don't they? I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. Start yourself off with a 2x4 standard base plate and bring a 1x4 standard base plate to go on top of the front here. Now for the back, we need this kind of small grabber base plate here. Now for these spaces here, we're going to use standard 1x1 bricks. This is going to hold up the arms of our armchair. Now as for the arms of the armchair, you will need these kind of small fountain pieces or awning pieces for markets. And on top of them, we're going to have these very, very teeny tiny 1x1 tiles. The smallest tiles that there are. Now for the seat of the chair, we're going to make it possible for our minifig to come off very easily. So 1x2 base plate, and behind it a 1x2 tile. There, that looks good already. Now for the back of the chair, we're going to bring in a few base plates. I'm going to be using a 1x2 base plate and a 2x2 base plate, and we're going to stick them together with these kind of hinge pieces. I don't know, they fit with grabbers, yeah. Now this kind of car bonnet, slope, and another 1x2 tile. Now we're going to bring our armchair back and clip the two things together, and there's our armchair. Now for a quick coffee table build, start yourself off with a 2x4 base plate, but turn it upside down. We're going to be using these ones, which these kind of base plates, just I'm not sure exactly what you call them. They seem to me kind of like catapults? I don't know, but they provide us wheels. Yeah, we turn it over, nice wheels over there. 2 of these 2x2 jumper plates, like so. We can stick things like a coffee cup over here, bring back our armchair, and there we've done it. So there we have it, the armchair is complete, and I don't know what to say about this. I really like it. The coffee table is nice as well. It would be very good for like a living room, sitting room kind of thing, but well, that's enough me talking. We're going to bring in Businessman. He's bought himself a newspaper to look at. We're going to bend his legs, stick him in here, and there you see he's sitting very nicely, and we can recline the back of the chair so he can recline back as well, like this, and he looks even more relaxed than before. You might want to put it on a plate because he keeps falling over. A force of gravity working there. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you. And until next time, happy building!